In the world of beauty, there's a dark secret lurking in many products: synthetic colors. These bright, candy-like hues may look tempting, but beware. Beneath their vibrant exterior lies a sinister truth. Synthetic colors, like those labeled as FD&C dyes, can be a true nightmare for your skin. They're known to cause skin sensitivities and unleash allergic reactions. But the scariest part? Those unnatural colors may contain impurities that can haunt your beauty routine. They've been linked to rashes, redness, and itchiness. Truly a ghoulish cocktail for your skin. For some, the nightmare doesn't end there. Allergic reactions with symptoms ranging from hives to swelling can turn your beauty ritual into a true horror story. These ingredients have also been shown to clog your pores and disturb the natural oil balance in your skin's microbiome, which leads to increased acne issues. But fear not, we've crafted a different tale at Morrocco Method. We invite you to treat yourself to a safer, wild-crafted beauty experience. Visit MorroccoMethod.com, where there are no scary ingredients, only pure, natural, and nourishing choices for your hair and skin. This season, let's banish the horrors from your beauty routine and embrace a path to healthier, toxic-free beauty. Morrocco Method, where every day is a treat without the tricks.